what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreya and today's video is about creating a makeup look using only lipsticks. So this is what I came up with, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and also find it a bit helpful. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So first I'm going to do my base, and for that definitely I'm going to use my lipstick. So I'm going to use the normal base products to do that. Starting with Aloe Vera Gel, I'm going to use this Aloe Vera Gel which is from Patanjali, and this is Soundarya Aloe Vera Gel. I'll also link everything in the description box below in case you want to check that out. And this apply especially on the centers and then moving upwards and downwards. Don't forget the neck. And let it set for like 1 minute. Always remember that don't put up things one by one, like continuously on your skin, then the makeup looks really cakey and it doesn't look more natural. So put one thing, apply one thing, and then wait for a minute or half a minute. That's it, and start applying the second product. So next thing which I'm going to use is this makeup base. This is from Miniso and I recently got it. And this is very reasonable, and also it has like a glittery effect which makes your base look more flawless and shiny, like, and glowy. So I'm going to take this much amount, very little, and just apply. Next time I'm going to use foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and it is in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and this shade is a little bit lighter to my skin, but however it works. So yeah, first using two of my fingers I'm going to apply foundation like this everywhere. And then blend it with a beauty blender. I always use less foundation because I don't feel like using a lot of it. When I use a lot of foundation, it just makes my skin feel really heavy. Maybe this foundation doesn't suit me, but anyways I have to use it and finish it up. So don't forget the neck. I'm going to take more of foundation right now and apply more this on my spots areas and try to hide it, and of course the neck. Okay, we are done with the base, and this is how it looks like. Always make sure that you put like your foundation or any of the base products inside your hair a little bit, so that it should look more natural, or else it will look like you have applied like a pack of foundation just on your face and it will look very unnatural. So yeah, after doing this, now comes the twist that I have to use lipsticks to do all the rest of things. Before that I'm going to do my eyebrows, because again we can't do eyebrows from lipsticks. I'm using this eyebrow kit which is from Miniso again, and just quickly do my eyebrows. And yeah, I am done. Now next thing which I'm going to apply is Vaseline on my lips, because my lips are really dry. We are done. Now we'll first focus on my base. that's like a contour, and for that I'm going to use a brown lipstick. And I've never done this before, so let's hope it works. So I applied this and like a joker, and I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. And just pull it upwards. And I think this much contouring is enough. Like, I don't want to overdo it and then look really bad. So after this I'm going to focus on my eyes, and I am thinking to do like a really popping pink eyes, because I have a very coral pink lipstick, and this is this one. This is again from Miniso, so I'm thinking to use this. Okay. So firstly I'm going to take lipstick on my fingers and apply directly on my eyelid. So next I'm going to apply the same shade on my lower lash lines and do like a pink kajal sort of thing. And yeah, I think I have done one coat of pink, and I hope that it makes some difference. Now what I'm going to do is use another shade. Now this is from Nykaa and it's Spiced Carbnet. This is the shade and this is the lipstick. So what I'm going to do is, this is like a darker burgundy shade, and I'm going to apply again on like side and corners of my eyes to give a little more depth. So let's do this. Yeah, and this is how my eyes looks like. Let's try this last thing. I have this bright color and it is completely ruined. It's from Oriflame, and let's try and put this in my inner corners. And yeah, can you see that? Okay, this is Rusty Red from Oriflame, and I applied that in my inner corners. So I'm gonna do that for the another eye. And yeah, that's how I did my eyes. Now next up thing is blush, and I'm going to apply this again from Miniso, the same coral pink which I use like my eye base. I'm going to apply that, and I'm going to apply, oh my god, I'm going to use a small beauty blender. So I'm going to use, this is from Miss Claire, this is a lip liner and it's in the shade El Guava, and I'm going to use this as kajal on my eyes, and I'm going for like completely pink eyes, so yeah, I hope it works. Now I'll go for highlighter. Now this is most tricky thing. So I came up with this gloss. I have this gloss from Brilliant Effects, and this is very glittery, so I hope it works as a highlighter. I'm going to just apply this like this. spread it. Does it work? I'm just going to do this. Or either we can just use Vaseline. Vaseline is a great replacement for a highlighter and it works very efficiently as a highlighter. So I have applied this gloss and I am happy with it. Now the last thing is lipstick. So I'm going to apply a lipstick and I think I'll go for like a nude lips because I have done a lot of pink and pink eyeshadows. I don't want to apply a pink lipstick. So I'll go for nude and I recently got this Colorbar Matte Me As I Am and it's in the shade Leap. So I'm going to apply that. And yeah, we are done. We have done like a complete makeover using only lipsticks. So yeah, that is for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit that bell button to get notified. So see you super soon. Goodbye.